Azad Kashmir General Elections 2026 will enter the second phase on August 2, when polling will be held across Muzaffarabad division and for 12 refugee seats. Muzaffarabad division has 9 constituencies across its 3 districts. A total of 8,09,614 registered voters will exercise their right to vote. In Neelam district, 1,51,911 voters will vote in 2 constituencies. In Jhelum Valley district, 1,77,500 voters will cast their ballots in 2 constituencies. In Muzaffarabad district, 4,80,203 voters will vote in 5 constituencies. According to the Election Commission, 1,483 polling stations and 2,219 polling booths have been set up across the division to facilitate voters. Election staff have already been dispatched to all polling stations. Personnel from the AJK police, rangers and FC have been deployed to maintain law and order, while additional security has been provided at sensitive polling stations. All necessary arrangements have been completed to ensure a peaceful, transparent and smooth polling process.
What if I told you Islamabad has its own version of Taj Mahal, built not by an emperor, but by a husband for the love of his wife? Welcome to Sobia Mahal, a breathtaking 100-canal area that is far more than just a beautiful building. Built by Zahid Pervez Bhatt in 1978, it was created as a lasting symbol of love for his wife Sobia. Inspired by the timeless idea behind the Taj Mahal, this place tells a modern-day love story, one carved into stone, architecture and history. As you step inside, you'll find yourself surrounded by stunning Mughal-inspired architecture, elegant courtyards and intricate craftsmanship, proving Sobia Mahal is a living history. What makes it truly unique is its incredible museum. This courtyard that you're seeing right here contains preserved treasures from the Indus-Valley civilization, Mohenjo-daro and the Gandhar civilization, along with rare Persian and Hindu artifacts. As you can see beside me, there are 30 plates. Each plate has a single para written in it, symbolizing the importance of Islam. One of its most remarkable spaces is the Islamic Heritage Gallery, featuring rare copies of the Holy Quran and beautiful Islamic calligraphy dedicated to Allah and the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. And at the heart of it lies the most emotional feature, the final resting place built for Zahid Pervez Bhatt and his wife, symbolizing a love, symbolizing a promise that their love story will be remembered for generations to come. So Sobia Mahal isn't just a tourist attraction. It's a place where love, faith, history and culture come together under one roof. The next time someone says Islamabad is only a modern city, tell them it's also home to one of Pakistan's most remarkable hidden gems, where every hallway tells a story and every corner preserves a piece of history.